Recording started. You can stop it by saying,
What is up, guys? This is me, Sunnyleap, and today we're going to be showing you guys the brand new update in Gorilla Tag. Sorry I'm a bit late on this, but first be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and let's get on to the video! Okay, let's do the message of the day. As Gorilla Corp solves the drill, revisit Chloe's reveal event. Head to the Rotini map and city. It's running every 2 minutes. Okay, we got you, bro. By the way, first thing, we gotta do the force check. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Let's go on the video. I want to hit 400 subscribers before August. Okay, here we go. Let's check force. We can already see it from here, but it's spring! My favorite season! Let's go! This is when I started Gorilla Tag. 2 years spectacular coming soon. And tag video coming soon. It's gonna be really good. So, let's check out what's to offer. Glitch. Entering city. Woo! Wow, this is pretty cool. So this is what's to offer. So, first we got the Leaf Ninja bundle. One of my favorite bundles, by the way. Guys, look, it's the Clanker bundle. Clanker. Beep, boop, boop, boop. We are the Clankers. Yo, the hoverboard flashback. Is this what I think it is? Spring 2024, my favorite time of my whole life. Yay! I miss these cosmetics, bro. These are like the best cosmetics. Construction, function. These are the new cosmetics. So let's see. There's a news one. Don't activate. That's pretty cool. Let's check out some of these. Oh, girls, I got some new good cosmetics. Obviously, I'm not going to spend all my money on this because I'm probably not even going to use a lot of these. The hoverboard! I miss these, bro. The hoverboard is one of my favorite maps, besides the Clouds revamp. That is new. Okay, let's try out some of the stuff. Let me try this. Oh, so that's how. Put the fries in the bag! Wait, I don't have a bag. My hand! I see this. Whee! I am a robot. What's this? Time to make a cool Oh. I am a construction worker for Gorilla Corp. Yay! Shiny! Look at this free cosmetic, guys. Guys, look, I have a hammer. Construction in the area. This is a work in progress, everybody. Trust the proceso di proceso. Whee! Construction activated. Hammer. I am the construction worker. What about this? I'm also a construction worker. Oh. Welcome to the Gorilla Corp News Channel. Welcome to the other Gorilla Corp News Channel. Welcome to GNN News. I am Frank, your host. Yeah, pretty cool. So those are the cosmetics. They added some more super infection cosmetics. Let's see the super infection stuff. Let's see them super infection. Super infection. Super infection. Man, I miss OG Gorilla Tag, bro. Oh, that was a glitch. That was a glitch in the Matrix. Let's see. Super gadgets. Wow, that's so cool, everyone. Let's see. But I need to address something. Okay? I am going to upload another video about a conversation I just want to address to you guys about. So don't mind the end. What I said about the live stream stuff the next day is just because I made that a video a month ago. Just never got to upload it because it kept glitching out. And bro, I lost my Gorilla Tag skills. I'm joking. I miss these sounds, bro. And it's gonna address some things. On April 1st, I'm gonna make a major announcement. And on April 7th, I'm going to have my spectacular. If it's on a weekday, I'll just do it on the weekend. Because I'm not allowed to play on the weekdays. Well, anyways, let's go to City. Did I get you guys there? Did I make you guys think that I was going to end the video there? Not. I love making content, bro. This is my favorite thing to do in my free time. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Wait, let me redo that. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and